I-FiT is a fantastic program to expose to international students what Iowa State is and what happens in terms of innovation and creativity at Iowa State. So it offers foreign students in multiple countries the possibility to see a tiny little bit of what we do in the university and have the chance to consider moving into the university and being one of our students.
At Education USA, we love projects like this. We love programs that bring students together, that bring them to not just hear about what it's like to study in the United States, not just to read things and see a presentation on a slideshow, but to actually experience it and meet students. We connected with some of the students online, and that was fantastic. I think the hands-on experience and getting them to not just hear about, but really feel what it's like to work with a professor and get that feeling that I can do it and that many students can do it, I think it's really, really special.
It gives the opportunity for the Japanese students to have a chance to see how many things we are doing at Iowa State, and alongside with Expo 25, it just boosts everything and gives a chance to showcase the importance of Iowa State in the country itself to the world.
I really enjoyed in listening to Mr. Bruno's experience in his entire designer life.
I really have a great time here since I discovered new friends, and the project here is very, very fun.
Education USA is proud and happy to be here in Osaka for Expo 2025 with Iowa State University. Innovate at Iowa State.
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 Innovate at Iowa State University.